Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to use Claude AI in 2026. Whether you are looking for a simple chatbot, a powerful research tool, or an autonomous coding assistant, there are several ways to access Anthropic's artisan models depending on your specific needs, so let's get right into the setup. First, you should start with the official access for the most complete experience. You can head over to Claude AI on the web or download the official Claude app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. In 2026, the standout feature here is Artifacts, a dedicated side-by-side window that lets you view and edit code, live websites, or complex documents without losing your place in the chat. It is perfect for analyzing massive PDFs or images and getting instant, high-level summaries and insights. Next, you can choose a platform based on your specialized use case. If you are a developer, you shouldn't just use the web chat. Instead, install the Klein or Kodi extensions in VS Code, or download the cursor editor, which has Claude natively integrated into its core. For those of you doing deep academic or market research, Perplexity.ai frequently leverages Claude's logic to synthesize real-time web searches into cited reports. If you want to compare Claude directly with GPT-4 or Gemini, POE.com is your best bet for a multi-model interface. Then, you should use these 3 pro tips to get the best results from the AI. First, be descriptive. Claude is famous in 2026 for handling long, detailed instructions better than almost any other model, so don't be afraid of prompt bloat. Second, if you have a pro subscription, use the projects feature to upload up to 20 documents as a permanent knowledge base for a specific task. Finally, always request a specific format. Tell Claude exactly if you want a markdown table, a Python script, or a formal report to save yourself from manual reformatting later. Finally, you need to understand the free versus PR.